Hey everybody, welcome back to Aria Moore's Makeup Room, where we learn and grow together. I am here with a all natural blown out glitter, gold glitter to be exact, cut crease. Guys, we are super excited per usual to be back with another video, y'all. I've been hitting these videos like crazy. I've been like bow bow bow, y'all. I've been dropping these videos on this channel like crazy. I'm gonna need y'all to make sure you are subscribed to the channel and start sharing some of my videos, guys. Thank you so much. I know I've been doing the cartoon series, guys, but today I just want to do something more natural because I do have to record for my other channel. And you know what I'm saying, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. But we are gonna jump back into our cartoon series in the next video. But for this video, guys, we are doing something more natural, more everyday, you know what I'm saying? Hey. But anyway, you guys, I'm gonna quit playing because I'm just excited to go on and get my day started. So you guys, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. Like this video and meet me down in the comments down below. Are you guys ready? Let's get it. Let's go. We are going to start out by buffing out those eyelids and making sure that everything is nice and smooth and ready to go, guys. And then we're going to go ahead and go straight into our palette. This is the chocolate palettes from Juvia. I am going to use this transition color to go ahead and go above that crease. You guys are just going to see me build those colors up and just blend it out very nice and fine. This is just exactly what we need to do to start this look out, guys. I'm starting it backwards. Usually I'll work my way up into my dark colors and then do my light colors. But today we are going to start with our transition color to make sure that it's all in place, very nice and smooth, especially since I know that I want this look to be very dark. So I felt like using a transition color was going to be perfect to start with. Then we're going to mix in these two chocolate colors to go into that crease, guys, and really darken up that crease and make everything nice and bold. I want to go ahead and invite you guys after this video to check out some of my other makeup videos as well as my podcast from Late Nights with Ari, guys. And yeah, we're going to just continue to just blend those two shades together before going into our next shade, guys. This is the Juvia's Chocolate Palette. Now I'm going to go into my black eyeshadow palette with a fresh brush, and I am going to go ahead right over that crease, the same crease that I put that dark chocolate into. I'm going to add my black, and then we're going to start to work that black all the way down into the eyelid. I am creating this cat eye effect, guys. You can create a cat eye look without putting like tape there. You just got to really control your hand work and just get everything blended nice and good. Now, I know this eyeshadow look is very simple, guys, but we do want everything to be nice and blown out. So you guys are going to see me go back and forth between all of the colors, going over top of the colors with the original color to make everything defined and blown out as good as possible, guys. You want to take your time here to make sure that that black, there's no creases into the black, because black literally shows up so well on our skin. So if you decide to use black on your eyelid as your eyeshadow, make sure that you really pack that color on. So I'm blending in that chocolate into that black to just really make everything smooth as possible, guys. I know there's no such thing as perfect, but do the best that you can. Go into all of those shades and start to try to make them as one shade as good as possible. I really like that transition color for the out to really blow everything out, because that just caramely chocolate just looks so freaking good to me. It's actually one of my favorite shades to use, especially when doing like just a natural eyeshadow look. And even though this is like a very big bold cut crease, guys, I still love this look. It's very different. I think this is a look that's for more mature people. This is not like the young crowd look, but if you're older, this is a perfect look for you guys. So just go ahead and take your time and work those colors together to make them one. So I forgot to record myself doing the cut crease, guys, but the cut crease is here. I'm going into a Juvia's palette, and I'm going to use that metallic gold to go over this cut crease to add that shimmer, guys. I'm going to do this with my flat brush and just pack that onto the eyelid area. This is just going to add some character to your look. Now you can make that cut crease as big or as small as you want. I wanted to just try out doing a very wide cut crease, guys. This is probably not going to be something I'll do ever again, because I just felt like for my face shape, it was just too broad for my face. But again, guys, do what you feel like fits and suits you. Also, guys, check out those eyebrows. Your girl did a different eyebrow technique. I'm going to do this technique a couple more times before I show you guys my updated eyebrow tutorial. But the eyebrows is looking so freaking good, guys. I cannot believe it. Hashtag growth. I feel like at this point you guys already know that I'm going to be adding some jewels to my looks. I really just love adding that extra personality to all of my looks. It just helps me stand out a bit more. So I went in with my eyelash glue, guys. I am still using that clear glue. I love it, love it, love it. And I'm just placing my jewels in place. I decided to just do 4. Originally I was going to do more of a dramatic crystals, but I was just like, no, let's just keep it simple, guys. Sometimes it's hard for me to just keep it simple, especially with just the eyes. It's my personality, but I'm super glad I decided to just keep it just this simple, guys. You see me thinking about it like, yeah, nah, we ain't gonna do that. Guys, this is the final look. This look should only take you about 15 minutes, guys, if that, guys. Like, literally, it's so simple, it's cute, it's fun, it works for every day, and it is fall, so I guess this could be like a little fall look. I have no idea, but literally, this is going to take you about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the person, guys. Don't stress yourself out to do this look. Just go ahead and just go with the flow. You only need a few colors, a couple of brushes, guys, and you will be done. I decided to add some red lips just for a little bit more personality. The lips is from Juvia's Place as well, guys. I want to thank you so much for checking out this video. I really appreciate you guys coming into my space and learning and growing with me. Check the description box for other links and channels of mine, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.